Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you some advanced editing techniques in CapCut. To work faster in CapCut, take advantage of keyboard shortcuts. Just go to Help, Shortcuts to see all the available options. And the best part is, you can customize them to fit your workflow. CapCut also lets you generate subtitles automatically. For instance, I'll use an interview with Sofia Vergara as an example. All I need to do is click Captions, then Generate and wait a few seconds. The subtitles will appear directly on the timeline, and from there I can tweak the text, change the style and even adjust the opacity. In the basic functions tutorial I showed you how to add transitions between clips. But CapCut also has transitions for text, which make your titles or captions appear more smoothly. Just create a text layer, go to the Animation tab, choose the transition you like, and adjust its duration to fit your video. Long edits often lead to a messy timeline with too many layers, which also makes transition harder to manage. A great solution in CapCut is the compound clip feature. Once you finish editing a section, just select those clips, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. This merges everything into a single track, keeping your timeline clean. And if you ever need to make changes, simply hit Undo Compound Clip to break it apart again. Here's a feature that can be really handy for a digital narrative project, isolating and highlighting a single color. All you need to do is to go to Adjust, open HSL, and dim every color except the one you want to keep. For example, I've left only the reds, which makes the roses stand out in bright color against the black and white background. You can also add motion effects to your video. Just go to Animation, then Combo and pick one of the flip options. For this demo, I'm using Flip 4. Don't forget you can adjust the duration too. The result is a cool 3D style motion. Another key step is setting a cover for your video to make sure it looks professional on your site or platform. Just click the button to the left of its timeline, pick a frame you like, and set it as the cover. CapCut also gives you plenty of templates that you can customize to match your style. Another powerful trick is text highlighting, which lets you draw attention to the most important words. The workflow is simple. Duplicate your video layer, apply a mask on the duplicate, add some feathering for smooth edges, and then invert it. This creates a nice highlighted text effect. Let's take a look at advanced color correction. First, click the three dots above the preview window and turn on Color Oscilloscope. Then Show. This will bring up three waveform graphs. Next, go to Adjust and open Curves. Here each point controls the oscilloscope. The top handles highlights, the bottom shadows, and the middle midtones. A good starting point is to create an S-curve for balanced contrast. Then fine-tune from there. Just remember, keep the colors within the oscilloscope boundaries.